I had spent the summer at Arcosanti, the Paulo Soleri's experimental city being built in the desert of Southwest Arizona. And I came back with this kind of sense of architecture and digging and what's beneath the earth. And so I started hanging around construction sites, and they happened to be building this giant subway in Porter Square, where I hung around long enough. I was just lucky one night, and they're like, "You want to go down? Well, you need a hard hat." I'm like, "I have one in my car." That I got at Arcosanti. So I had a hard hat, and they took me down. I remember I was wearing clogs, which wasn't the most, the best thing, shoe wear. And it was in this big cavern, and you could see all the striations of the rock. It's one of the deepest holes, deepest subways in Boston, I think. That Porter Square goes down and down and down, and you could just see the rocks. So I started collecting the rocks from the construction site, and then worked with clay. I remember, I think clay and tar were some other of the materials I was working with at the time. And so in the window, it was like, it was as if a slice of a wall that was at an angle. So it was like tar at the top, and then fired clay chunks, and then rocks at the bottom. And in the center of this wall that was at an angle from the storefront window was a giant triangle of hay pushing out toward you.